Okay, good morning to Mr. Haiqal and also to the one who will watching this video, this recording. So my name is Ahmad Shauqi RAZALI. I'm from UPNM and I'm studying in Bachelor of Islamic Defense and Safety. So what I'm going to talk about in this session is about my productivity improvement plan as an assignment for workplace competence assessor for productivity in manufacturing. Okay, so what I'm gonna talk about in this session is about how I'm going to improve my productivity in my own daily life, and also maybe some implementation uh, when I get into the industry. Okay. Okay. First of all, before we continue even more further, we must also know what does it mean with productivity improvement plan. So by definition, productivity is the ratio of output in form of goods and services divided by the inputs of resources such as labor and capital. So as you can see in this figure, you can see output like the money, like the car or the ship, like or anything that you want to produce is divided by input, like your labor, how your what you are giving it into, and also and what have become it out of it is about productivity. So how about improvement? Improvement can be categorized into three. First, breakthrough improvement. Secondly, continuous improvement. And thirdly, combined improvement. So I will tell you about more detail about these three improvement types. So first of all, as you can see on the red line, where you can see they are rated on this figure, multiple and breakthrough. So this is what we call the combine, where we combine between continuous and breakthrough. So how about breakthrough? Breakthrough, you can see on this green line, where you can see there is a very big significant rising or increase in the line, where this actually can be achieved by doing major improvement. So how about continuous improvement? Continuous improvement, you can see based on this blue line, where you can see the line increase not rapidly like the green line, but it it moves in increase by continuous. So this is what we call a cycle of improvement little by little. So in order to achieve uh, our goal much more easier and affordable. Okay, so how about plan? Plan is defined as an orderly or step-by-step conception for accomplishing an objective. Okay, so why must we or me have an improvement plan for myself? So first thing is to keep important things in check. Secondly, eliminate waste. Three, avoid problem in future. Four, to produce a better me from day to day. And five, and last, to keep me and my family in safe and good health. Okay, so next, so how do I can achieve this type of improvement? So you can, as we study in lean production, we can use several tools. So this is the type of tool that I can use, that I can include in my own daily life. So firstly, is using lean method. There is a demo cycle. As you can see in this figure, you can see that we start with plan, we continue to do like we do the thing like at the planning stage, we plan everything from A to Z to Z. So everything must be in coordinate so that thing can be done in orderly fashion. Okay. So next, in the do, like I said, with such a precise and orderly planning, we can do things in a safer and a more affordable uh, and thus can reduce the waste that we can make. It is so set to eliminate waste in the process. So after that, after do, we can put into check where we can check all things that we have done before this or during the thing, so that we can see where does the thing that we do on the daily or anything in the job industry that we can improve little bit by bit and act. So we act accordingly, according to what we have already planned and checked. So this cycle, as you can see, is a continuous cycle. So we do this after, and then until we achieve our goal, and maybe more, we can achieve better than our goal. Okay, so next is by keeping things minimal and simple, so that like I say, I will be focusing more on continuous improvement. So I must make things that and job that I done in minimalist and simple only. So and then using 5S, that is a short acronym for sort, set, shine, standardize, and sustain. And next is make my own timetable for my own daily life, so that I can make sure that none of my time, or I can only waste time in I cannot waste any time when I'm doing my own daily job. So secondly is to eliminate waste in all of this sector, whether it is involved or not. Okay, so first of all, in transport, I must eliminate waste in the process by I'm doing, whether I'm on job or on my own daily life. Transport, in inventory, in motion, waiting time, overproduction, overprocess, and defective. So by eliminating all waste in this category, I can make thing I can keep thing going much more smooth and uh, doing greatly. Okay, so when do I can apply all of these tools? So firstly, yesterday, that is before sleep, that I have to check what has to be done by for the day and planning for tomorrow. And then I will list on what to do note for the next day. And secondly, today, that is the day that we make the planning ongoing. That is to do beneficial thing early in the morning, like eating nutritious breakfast, and also exercise for my own health and also to my future self. And also do activities as planned yesterday, and also be minimalist. So the term of being minimalist is what I really focus on daily life, because when I keep things in exact or in or like me not by not being minimalist, I found out that my life being more like lot of trouble coming. Okay, so thirdly, for tomorrow, I will continue make the improvement of my what to do plan on the timetable. So what to do day after day. So next, this is what like I would say in the planning, like in the PDCA cycle. And so where do I apply this improvement plan? It is firstly at home, and secondly during work, in the end also finally in daily life. Next, as the conclusion, we need to make plan in order to improve ourselves, whether it is a combined or a breakthrough or a continuous. Secondly, only yourself can improve you. Others can contribute, but only small impact. The rest is on ourselves. Thirdly, learn to be a simple person and minimalist. And fourth, keep learning and recheck if you're planning to make suitable change. And five, and the most important thing is to respect people. So I think that's all from me. Thank you to Mr. Haikal and also to WENGKAI for these courses. Okay, goodbye.
Okay, thank